I can't explain what's going on. Something happened when you came along. Oh, it's driving me crazy.
I look crazy, don't I? I know. It's okay. How we take this off now? Come off now. Ooh, y'all, this thing not trying to come off. Ooh. Oh my gosh, there's powder everywhere. It's everywhere. Like, oh my goodness. You guys, look. All on my mirror. All. I really be doing the most. Like, why am I not normal? Hi loves, what is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. I'm back with another video. Hey, 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 hey. So what is up guys, I am back, and in today's video I created this very full coverage, extra dramatic glam for you guys today. I just felt like doing something very fun and very full coverage and just very glam, like just a full glam look. And I came up with this very nice haloed eye look right here, and it's very beautiful, very pretty, and yeah. So, and I used a couple of new products throughout this video as well. And yeah, I really love, you know, the outcome of this look. I love this whole 90s vibe that we have going on here, you know, with the eyes, the colors, the nude lip, with the hair, the hoops, you know, I'm feeling it. So yeah guys, I'm super excited about this look and this video today. And before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys think of this look. You know, am I serving right now? Am I serving? Just let me know in the comments down below. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look and how I created this look, then definitely keep on watching. Because we're doing like a very bold, over dramatic, you know, full coverage type of look today, we're gonna do a very bold brow. So I'm gonna start off with my ColourPop pencil, and this is in the shade Black and Brown. And I'm just gonna brush my eyebrow hairs up, and then I'm just gonna go in and lightly shade in my brows. All right, so now that we pretty much have like our eyebrow like formation set up, to deepen up our brows and give our brows more of like a bold look, we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. We're going to pretty much outline and fill in. Actually, we're gonna go into the L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige because Almond was too dark. And we're also going to apply this on our lids as our eyeshadow base because this is a very bright concealer shade, so it will give our eyeshadows the most pigment possible. I'm going to go in with my fluffy blending brush, and we're going to go ahead and just blend the concealer out. We're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. And we're gonna go into this yellow shade in circular motions right underneath our brow bone. We really just want to blend this color out and kind of blend it up as well. Now, using the same brush, we're gonna go into this orange shade, apply this color more so in our crease area. And we're just blending in circular motions, going back and forth to give us the best result of a deepened up crease and more defined crease. Then we are going to go into this darker red shade. We're just going to use this color for our outer corner and our inner corner. So first I just like to pack the shade on, then just go in and blend it. And then to deepen our outer corner shades up, I'm going to go into this darker shade. Just going to go right on top of the colors that we applied. But we are pretty much just trying to create like some definition. So now we're just going to blend the colors. So now that we have this situation going on, I think that it looks really nice. I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer and we're going to carve out the middle of our lid. So to brighten up our crease, I think I'm going to put this bright blue right on top of the concealer, just to give our eyes that pop of color, because we're being very dramatic today. Don't forget that darker purple outer shade that we have on the corner, and we're going to blend this in. Alright, so now we're going to apply our wing liner, and I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. To apply mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. And for lashes, I'm going to use the Eyllure X Jasmine Brown lashes in the style JB. And right here, it says dramatic. So we gotta go with these today. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on. And for primer, we're gonna be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. And we're just gonna apply this all over our face. And I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Liquid Foundation. This is in the shade 8.75. Literally only need one pump of this and you're good. And guys, look at this. This is literally just one dip into this right here. So I don't really like that brush for foundation, so I just switched to a flat top. Y'all, I got this on my head because I'm laying my edges. Just take it off. I feel like my edges are pretty set. It applies on really light, and then you guys will see it set and get darker. We're going to be taking the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Dark Warm. So we're going to apply this. And this concealer, I've heard, is very full coverage. It's my first time using it, so it has like it has a smell to it that I'm not liking. But whatever. We're going to apply this on all the areas where we would normally highlight. Alright, I'm going to blend this out. Wow, you guys, that blended out so seamless. I really like this. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of medium light neutral over just under my under eyes, just to brighten me up just a little bit more. So now to contour, we're going to take our Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Truffle. Match our face. Alright, and we're going to blend that out. Guys, that jawline contour gives your face so much like structure and so much of that look. Like, it's just bomb. And I'm not going to blend out my cheek contour too much, just because like I really want it to be snatched. Alright, so to set our concealer, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. This is in the shade Banana. I've never tried this before, so this is going to be my first time trying this. Set our concealer. Okay, we're going to set our concealer with a brush instead of the Beauty Blender. Okay, so I don't know how I feel about this powder because I feel like I look really cakey and just not good at all. Yeah, I'm not really feeling the powder, but we're gonna move on and we're gonna set our contour because I feel like I look really ghostly right now, like super ghostly, and I'm not feeling it. Set my contour, I'm taking the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in these two. And for blush, I'm going to dip into the e.l.f. blush palette and just pretty much like swipe my brush over all of these. Alright, we're going to set our face and then move on to the eyes. Alright, so while our face is setting, we're going to go into our waterline and apply some black eyeliner. Going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to go into the burgundy shade and the shade and apply this right on our lower lash line. I'm going to put these shades the same way that I have this, so on my outer corner and my inner corner. And then go into the blue that we used on our lid, right in the middle. And then for bottom mascara, we're going to go in with the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. For brow bone highlight, we're going to go into this champagne shade and just apply this right in our brow bone. And then use our finger to blend it out in our inner tear duct. Alright, so I already applied my lip liner, so you guys already know I'm gonna go nude. I want them to look at the eyes and not so much focus on the lips. So I'm gonna go with the nude lip, I know, but I mean, I feel like it complements the look. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. I already applied brown lip liner, so I feel like this is the perfect nude. Then I'm going to go in with the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Peanut Brittle. And time for highlight, I'm going to use the Anastasia Glow Kit. So like these highlighters in here are one of the most pigmented highlighters I've ever used. So I'm going to go into Summer. And I'm going to go over my moles. And we're going to spray our face one more time. I'm using the Pixi Glow Mist. Alright, love, so that completes today's video and this entire makeup look. I really love the outcome of it and I hope you all like it too. If you did, then you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below. But before we go, today's motivational quote is, when you focus on everything that could possibly be missing, you miss everything that God made possible. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.